Okay, so our first lesson in our trigonometry unit is about degrees. So this is from your homework page 862 to 863, number 1 through 4, 6 through 9, and 15 through 18. I'm going to go ahead and jump to number 6, and we'll start with that one. It says draw an angle with the given measure in standard position. So I kind of give us a coordinate plane here, and we have to understand how degrees work on this coordinate plane. Your 0 degrees is out here in your positive x-axis. Then as you go around in a positive direction, positive is counterclockwise, so then up here you'd have 90 degrees. Here you'd have 180 degrees, so we add another 90. Add another 90 degrees, and we get 270 degrees. And then we come back to 0 or 360 degrees. So it says draw an angle with the given measure in standard position, 110 degrees. Well, I'm going to go ahead and think, well, I know that 0 to 90 is here. So I would need another 20 degrees to make it 110. And I'm going to use a nice little line tool here to help me draw that. Let's see if I can get the same kind of color going on. And if I draw a line out, another 20 degrees is about this much. So now I have another 20 degrees drawn. And so I would go ahead and I'm going to start at the initial side, and remember, for all angles, whether they're positive or negative, your initial side is that positive x-axis. So I'm going to start there, and I'm going to draw my angle curve all the way to my terminal side, which I just drew at 110 degrees. So this angle would be 110 degrees. The next problem I'm going to do asks us to find one positive angle and one negative angle that are coterminal with the given angle. So the angle that I'm given is 70 degrees, and I need to find one that's coterminal that is positive and one coterminal that is negative. Well, a coterminal angle is just an angle that ends at the same position, or it has the same terminal side. So to find any type of coterminal, we either add or subtract 360 degrees. Now we can add or subtract 360 degrees multiple times to get multiple different coterminal angles. So let's start with a positive coterminal angle. So I have 70 degrees, it's a positive number, and I'm just going to add 360 degrees to that to get another positive coterminal angle. Well, here's 60, and if I add 40 to that, I'll get 400. I would be left over 300, so I'm going to have 430 degrees. So that's one coterminal angle that's positive. Now I need to have a negative coterminal angle. Since 70 is less than 360, I can simply just subtract 360 degrees. So when I subtract 360 degrees, I'm going to have a negative 290 degrees. So now I have one positive and one negative coterminal angle. Any questions, please see me or Mr. Daniels, and enjoy doing the rest of your homework.